Hey, how's it going? So this is more of a test, just trying to see how I feel and get more comfortable in front of the camera. I have this thing where every day I try to post one photo that I took from that day, edited, sometimes it's raw, sometimes it's not, and put it onto my Instagram story. And so I've always been seeing about this tunnel down by the Mercedes Benz where the Falcons play in Atlanta. And since I'm new here, I haven't been down there, so I figured I'd try it out and try to make a little YouTube video out of it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm not really sure how this audio is gonna work, but I'm in Piedmont Park. The trail to Mercedes Benz just didn't work out, but let's hope with the rain, people with their umbrellas, we can get some moody shots. I'm gonna have to tuck it in my jacket here so it doesn't get wet. I know it's waterproof, but I don't want to ruin it, but you know, I said I was going to make it and I almost was going to give up on it, but I figured I might as well just keep going, so here we are. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'm just happy that I got out and I did it. It didn't exactly go as I planned. I was able to get the drone up a little bit. I was able to get my camera working. I was able to learn how to fully put this camera in full auto for video. But right now I'm just using with what I have, and I'm filming myself on my cell phone, my Samsung S Ultra 20. It's a Galaxy. So be sure to hit the like button, subscribe. Hopefully I can do one of these. My goal is maybe once a week, where I just go out, shoot, record it, and then little by little it'll get better, you know. Thanks for watching. Until next week.